Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making corn, mutton and roti. It's Saturday. We're cooking corn, mutton and roti here today. Check it out. This is a good corn mutton. It tastes really good. Anyways, let's get started. Add in 4 teaspoons of oil. And I'll be frying it up with some potato, some shredded potato. I have half an onion here and half a little pepper. Some green onion. Add in the potato. This is 4 mini potatoes. We love potato in the corn mutton. Tastes good. So I'll just fry it up and then I'll add the corn mutton and some more green onion. Check out the potato here, nice and shredded. Add in a teaspoon of hot water so the potato can cook a little bit. It's already cooked, but I made it a little softer. Check out the potato again, nicely cooked. Add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A pinch of sugar. Add in the corn mutton. This is a really good corn mutton. It tastes so good. We buy this brand all the time. Add in some green onion. Anyways guys, corn mutton is done. Check it out. You can barely see the potato inside. Check it out, looking so nice. Check it out here, all done, looking so good. Cooking some roti here. Oil roti to go with the corn mutton. I leave it on too long and it gets a little brown. Anyways guys, check out the roti here with the corn mutton, looking so yummy. Check out the corn mutton, you don't even see the potato, barely see it. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like how my corn mutton comes out. Looking so tasty and delicious. Thanks again. Bye-bye.